Hello everyone, this is Teacher Nori and this is the third video about paragraph and its parts. In this video, we will learn about concluding sentence. But first, what is a paragraph? A paragraph is a group of sentences organized around a main idea. A paragraph is usually made up of 5 sentences. An example of a paragraph is, I always keep my room clean. Every morning, I fix my bed and sweep the floor. I wipe the dust off my things often. I also organize my stuff in their storage areas. I am good at keeping my room clean. Another example. The culture in the Philippines is very diverse. The difference in culture can be seen through its food, festivals, clothing, and designs. The distance between the islands gave way to this diversity. Having more than 7,000 islands ensure that each place is unique. Experiencing the diversity in culture of the islands can fill a person with excitement. What are the parts of a paragraph? A paragraph is made up of 3 parts: the topic sentence, the supporting sentences, and the concluding sentence. What is a concluding sentence? A concluding sentence is a sentence that sums up the ideas that refers to the main idea of the topic sentence. It is the last sentence of the paragraph, and it can also be identified by transition words like so, therefore, and hence. In the first sample paragraph, the concluding sentence is, I am good at keeping my room clean. In the second paragraph, the concluding sentence is, experiencing the diversity and culture of the islands can fill a person with excitement. In writing paragraphs, we must remember the following. Paragraphs are composed of sentences. The sentences always begin with an uppercase letter or capital letter and ends with either a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. Most of the time, the first line of a paragraph is indented. According to Wikipedia.com, indentation in writing means the space used to separate a paragraph from the left or right margin. Since you have already discussed all the parts of the paragraph, let us answer Check Your Understanding A from your handouts. In this activity, you need to identify the part of the paragraph described. Write your answer in your handouts. Remember that answers may be repeated. Number 1. It tells us about the main idea. Number 2. It gives us details about the main idea. Number 3. It is usually the first sentence of the paragraph. Number 4. It sums up the details relating to the main idea. And number 5, it is 2 to 3 sentences long. This time, let us answer Check Your Understanding B. Since we've finished discussing about concluding sentence, we need to read again the paragraphs in your handouts and identify the concluding sentence using your yellow crayon. Number 1. There are three kinds of bacteria. The rod-shaped bacteria are called bacilli. The ball-shaped bacteria are called cocci. The twisted bacteria are called spirilla. Bacteria get their names from their shapes. Number 2. A cave is an opening beneath the ground or on the side of a hill or mountain. Most caves are made by water. Water trickles through the earth and works its way into cracks in the rocks. Bit by bit, the rocks are worn away, and in time, a cave is formed. Number 3. Cotton is one of the most valuable plants because of its fiber and its seed. Cotton fiber, as everyone knows, is an important textile fiber. It provides more cloth and clothing for man than any other fiber. For many years, cottonseed was considered entirely worthless. However, it was found out to be a very valuable source of oil for cake, meal, and linters. This concludes our video presentation about paragraph and its parts. Since we've finished discussing about the three parts of a paragraph, I hope you practice reading and identifying the different parts of a paragraph when you read articles and stories. Until next time.